Okay, so I took this water pump out of this old washer that I had. Alright? I connected it to the switch. So it has an on and off button. Okay, so I found this big tote that I filled up with water a little bit. I got it ciphering into this bucket. I lifted it off the ground so it's higher, and gravity just empties it in there. Now, I'm gonna turn this on and see if it works. Hey, look at that. It works. The shower head came loose. There it goes. It's running. Yep. I even added a hose to the main line to fill up the bucket or fill up the tote. I got this ciphering into this bucket, so when I warm this water up, it'll just cipher into this bucket and then just get pumped into the shower.